Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is perfect for emergencies, whether you're keeping this in your car or whether you are utilizing this in your home for storms. It is a hand crank flashlight. This was sent over by a company called VFAN. This is the box it came in. Obviously it comes with instructions. We're covering all the features right here in this video. Now, once you open it up, you are going to get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. You can utilize this to charge up the device itself if you wish, or you can utilize this to power up your tablets or your phones from the device. So it's kind of a two-way actual cable. You're also going to get, they include a little compass here as well. So if you are taking this, it's also perfect for camping. You're going to have a compass with you. So as you can see, here is the flashlight itself. Now it is on the larger side because it has all those components in there that's basically providing the generation of electricity. Now, it give you an idea of the size here. It is 7 inches long and it's about 2 inches in diameter. It does come with a nice little lanyard for holding. On the back side, you are going to have a USB out port. So this is where you're going to plug in the cable if you want to charge up your phone or your tablet. On the other side, you're going to have a Type-C port. This is where you're going to utilize if you wish to charge up the battery on the device itself. You can do that. You can plug it into a computer or wall adapter. It does have a 2,600 mAh battery in here to store that energy. If the battery is completely full, it's going to last about 18 hours depending on the light settings you have. Now the button in the middle, that is going to switch it from basically your input in your output mode. So input is going to be red. That's going to be when you're utilizing the hand crank, and you'll see it will turn red and you'll feel the resistance on it. Now when you press the button and it turns blue, that means it's just charging up the device. If you do the hand crank, you're not going to feel that resistance and you'll notice the light turns blue. So essentially, have it on the red whenever you're charging or whenever you're manually cranking it. Otherwise, you can have it on the blue and you're good to go. Now, on the front side here is the button for the flashlight. You're gonna have 3 different flashlight settings. Simply press it and it's just gonna be a standard flashlight that you can carry around. Once again, like I said, great for camping, great for emergencies. Now, if you press it again, it's gonna turn on the side utility light. This is great for hanging up in a tent, or if you're trying to, you have a flat tire and you're trying to see around, you can utilize that. Obviously, also, if you have a power outage in a storm, it works great for lighting up bigger areas. If you press the light again, once again, it'll light up the flashlight part, but now it is just a blinking strobe kind of effect. Really great for drawing attention, or if you are doing like a changing a flat tire, you can set this up on your car and it's just gonna kind of bring attention to anybody driving by, so that way you're like safe on the side of the road. Press it a 4th time and it just turns off. And as you can see, the little crank handle itself here, it just folds nice and flat. When you are rotating this, about 1 minute worth of cranking is going to give you about 30 minutes of lighting. So like I said, a little bit of cranking works great if you happen to have a dead battery or whatnot, because a lot of times with flashlights, we stick them away and we store them and we forget about them. And then we have that emergency and now all the batteries are drained. This guy's nice because you can just simply crank it and get that juice and get it going without power. So overall, if you're looking for a great safety flashlight for emergencies, this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.